Stretch your legs. Stretch your leg. Now both hands up. Inhale, both hands up. Stretch your arms to your spine. And exhale, slowly, both hands forward. Try to both knees straight and slowly chin touch the floor. Try to head down. Look forward. Inhale up. Stretch your arms to your spine. Look forward. And exhale, down. Now both hands forward. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. Try to chin touch the floor. Down. Inhale up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. And exhale, down. Try to navel touch on your floor, head down. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. Now, final one. Inhale up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. And exhale, slowly, both hands forward. And slowly, both hands forward. Stretch your arm, stretch your spine. Chin down, navel touch on the floor. Hold 6, 5. Breathe in normal. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale up. And exhale, down. Now close your legs. Now leg relax. Relax your legs. Legs forward. Now final one. Now legs wider. Stretch your legs. And try to stretch. Now both hands up. Inhale, both hands up. And exhale, catch your big toes. Catch your big toes and slowly drop your head down. Hold 6, 5. Drop your navel touch your floor. Chin on your mat. Floor. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly inhale, both hands up. Stretch your arms to spine and exhale, down. Now close your legs, leg relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.